Okay, not a problem. We will teach you. We are here for that only. Okay. Tell me one thing, Ram. How do you come from your home to here
It's on foot, sir.
on food? So what you do? First, let me tell you. First, you must wake up in the morning. That you do, right? If I will tell anything wrong, you
There
can
is a
tell me.
sequence, sir, of course.
There is a sequence. First, you get up in the early in the morning. Then you get yourself prepared. After that, you tell your father that yes, I am prepared now. Please let me.
Drop
I
there.
want to. Yes, I want to go to school. Please drop me. So what he do is he opens his car or scooter, whatever he has, and then you sit there and you come here.
Without checking our bag, no?
Uh, you have a problem of that, and you should check your bag.
Okay.
You never take your books in the class. You always take the look of your friends' books, and that is not a nice manner. Okay. So you must do
I
it.
definitely just check the bag.
Yes,
Okay, what is
very
inside?
good. Okay. So what I want to tell is everything happens in a step. In this world, everything happens in a step. So for example, if you also want to make a tea, what you will do is you will take some water, you will take some milk, and then you will mix them, and
Oh,
then
sir,
you will make tea.
that means there is algorithm.
Yes, you already know algorithm. You are more bright than you think of yourself. Okay. So what is an algorithm? Or I already told you what is an algorithm. Algorithm is any set by set instruction. It is a collection of instruction in a set by set manner. For example, one day you came here and you told me, sir, I do not want to study today.
Then what is the difference, sir, between algorithm and programming?
Yes, I'm telling you.
Okay.
So algorithm is anything that is a set by set instruction, right? But computer is not as intelligent as us. Computer is a stupid machine. It is a poor machine.
Of course.
So we use it for our purpose. We are intelligent. You are intelligent. So computer does not understand algorithm. Actually, algorithm is written in a English language. We all are capable of understanding English. We all know English.
What is pseudocode?
Yes. So pseudocode pseudocode is also written in English. Algorithm is not necessary to write. We are not necessarily bound to write algorithm in English. Algorithm can be written in the form of a flow chart.
Of course.
Fine. Why I am telling you that algorithm is written in English, because right now I am telling you in English. So we can use algorithm in English, and that will automatically be converted to a pseudocode.
Yes.
Fine. So pseudocode and algorithm are very much related to each other. They are not different things. They differ in the name only. So what we do is we write algorithm in the form of a flowchart. For example, there are 4 persons in the room. We know that, but how we know that? If we want to build an algorithm for that, we will for example do like this. That whenever we see a person, we will increment the counter by 1. We will take a counter that will be initially set to 0. Whenever we see a person, for example, I saw you, I incremented the counter, then again I saw you, I incremented the counter. Similarly, I will count up to 4, then I did not see any new person.
Why we should vacate it for 0? Why not for 10?
Because initially we assume that there is no one in the class. Everything has a starting. Right, everything, even the world has an starting.
That
So
is
everything is.
origin.
If you will take initially 10, that means you are supposing that initially there are 10 students in the class, but that is not the case. Initially we want to count, so we will count from 0. Have you whenever anyone tells you to tell the counting, do you start from 10? What you do? You start from 0 or 1. You never start from 10.
Why not I should start from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Why should I?
You should not do it, because everything has a process, right?
It is in descending order, not ascending.
It is depend upon the situation.
Yes, it depends upon the situation. For example, it is more convenient for you sometimes to decrement the counter instead of incrementing the counter. Then at that time, what we do is we decrement the counter.
Exactly
But
what
if-
we are trying
Yes.
to just take over from you is that.
It
Is
depends on the
this.
problem.
But here, because we don't know how many students are there in the class, so we will start from 0. But there are some situations in which we also do that. We will do that in later class. I will tell you that. So what is the difference between algorithm and programming? Each computer do not understand algorithm. That is a stupid machine. So we have to tell that this is algorithm. We want to do it. So actually, computer understand only limited things. So computer understand programming language. So programming is what? Programming language is a basic language that the computer understand, that is in the form of some particular language. For example, we use syntax in do you speak in English? There are some rules in English. I cannot say I is Ashish. I have to tell I am Ashish. Similarly, in computer, in programming, we have some steps and we have to do accordingly. For example, after every line, we have to write a semicolon.
But one thing, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
In English, it is possible. I is Ashish.
That was not a very good example. For example,
Okay, move on. Okay.
In simple way, we can say that algorithm plus programming languages, algorithm plus languages program.
yes, sir. Algorithm plus language makes the program, and that makes everything more sense. That gives sense to things.
Tell something about what? Yeah, how does it run?
Program, yes. So what we will do, students, in our class, we have gone to lab, right? We have built a program of Fibonacci series. You have seen it. So what we do is we need a platform to run the program. In our class, we will use Turbo C++. Turbo C++ is a software child where we
Why not Quincy C++, sir?
So, dear child, we can use any software, but this is the most simplest software.
Software editor, you can say what is the difference between software and editor?
Editor. Editor is anything. We can make our programs in editors as well, but in editors we cannot run the program, and we can emulate it, we can run it, and we can have the output. For example, I told you make a program of this, but you are not able to check whether this is correct or not. What is the benefit of
You
that
are
program?
working in TCS.
So I'm not working. I left.
You worked in TCS,
Yes, sir.
right?
In which language you have worked?
Sir, I worked mainly in Java.
Java.
Yes,
So
sir.
give me some example of editor of Java. 2 examples.
Editor of Java. Okay. One is Notepad.
Notepad is editor, no?
Notepad is just an editor. We can make programs in Notepad for Java.
Java editor I am talking about. It is very general. You can write
Okay.
C++ also. I am talking about Java editor.
Java editor.
Okay, fine, sir. One is Eclipse.
Yeah. Okay.
And second is we can write Java programs in
NetBeans.
NetBeans.
Yes.
You have to work in NetBeans in
Sir,
school.
yes. Actually, I'm not aware of that because I have not taught in school before.
No, you
You
have
have
worked in
very
Java.
good knowledge, Ashish. Don't try to be away from that. You have very good knowledge and you are accepting everything.
Yes, sir.
It's a very positive thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In school, in 12th and 11th and 12th,
Yes, sir.
the students work on NetBeans today.
NetBeans. Sorry.
NetBeans,
I did
not
not know
RedBeans.
about that.
Yes.
That's
NetBeans.
why.
And NetBeans is a Java editor. Now it
NetBeans.
support HTML, everything, other thing also.
The main principle of Java is
So actually Java works on a principle that the programming should be platform independent. It should
Applets.
No.
Applets is a application of Java. Sir.
I am talking about the basic principle of that language. What
Basic,
is different between C and Java? Well, I want to know.
so C is not a completely object-oriented language,
So
but Java is a
programming
pure object-oriented. For example, we can write the program of a Fibonacci series without making a class and object.